Alright, so this video is the final installment of the Chapter 3 mini lectures. So in this video we'll close up our discussion of sentence patterns and verb classes. So as discussed, Chapter 3's focus is on verbs, and we're looking at different types of verbs and then the patterns which those verbs are used in. So we said the first major class of verbs are linking verbs, right? And we have the be verb, am, is, are, was, were as the most commonly used linking verb, but we also have non-be verbs such as feel, seem, think, taste. Sometimes those are called sense verbs. We also have the action verbs, and of that group we have two classes, intransitive and transitive. So intransitive meaning the verb is not followed by a noun phrase, and transitive is when the verb is followed by a noun phrase. So we talked about linking patterns. We talked about sentence structure patterns, and of those 7 patterns, 3 of them include linking verbs. So we stated that the first thing you should do within your analysis is to identify the main verb. If the main verb is a linking verb, then you've reduced your options to just these 3 patterns. So if you identify the main verb and it is a linking verb, then your next decision is, well, is the item that follows the linking verb, is it an adverbial subject complement? Is it a predicate adjective? Or is it a predicate nominative? So looking at these, so is it a linking verb? So one is swimming. Is swimming is not a linking verb. Is, in this case, is a helping verb. It is an auxiliary verb that is helping the action swimming. Am, I am a teacher. I am excited. That is certainly a linking verb. Has been, no, has been is not a linking verb. Has is an auxiliary here. Been is a participle. This is present perfect. Sounds, it could be a linking verb. The party sounds fun. That certainly could be, that is a linking verb in that instance. Climbs, no, that's an action. Was stolen, no, not a linking verb. Was is assisting, it's helping, it is an auxiliary verb to the participle stolen. Will have studied, no. Were, yes. Are taking, no. Right? This is a progressive. I am taking the exam, you are taking the exam. Those are actions. Seems, yes, that can be a linking verb. She seems happy, she seems upset. That is linking the subject she to a complement. As we've said, we have 4 action verb patterns. So when you identify the main verb, you say, well, is that main verb a linking verb? No, it is not. Then you must choose from these 4 patterns. So your first choice is to say, well, what follows this action verb? Is it a noun phrase that follows? If yes, then it is intransitive. Now, if it is a transitive verb, then you have some other decisions to make. Is there simply one noun phrase? Are there 2 noun phrases? Or is there a noun phrase and an object complement? So are these noun phrases? To the beach? No, that is not a noun phrase. It is a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase includes a noun phrase, but that is not a noun phrase. The beach? Yes, that's a noun phrase. Diligently? Nope, that's an adverb. Enjoyment? Yes, that's a noun. An amazingly colorful sunset? Yes, that's a noun phrase. So we have the noun sunset. We have which is the adjective. We have amazingly, an adverb. We have colorful, which is an adjective. But yes, that is a noun phrase. Here? No, here is an adverb. There? No, there is an adverb. The faculty center? Yes, the faculty center is a noun phrase. So here is an extra credit opportunity. I'm not going to discuss this elsewhere. I want to see if people are watching the videos. If you're watching the videos, answer these 6 questions in a Word document. I will post a place for you to submit these in Chapter 3. So again, we have the 7 patterns, and all English sentences follow these patterns. Right? We have pattern 1, subject plus linking verb plus adverbial. So an adverbial could be an adverb such as here, there, or it could be a prepositional phrase in that position. The package is at home. That's a prepositional phrase as an adverb. In pattern 2, we have subject plus linking verb plus predicate adjective. So here we have subject, that car. We have the linking verb is, and we have an adjective, expensive. Pattern 3, we have subject, that car, linking verb is, plus a noun phrase. And recall that that noun phrase is called the predicate nominative. Pattern 4, here we have he disappeared after class. So we look at what's the main verb. The main verb is disappeared. Is that a linking verb? No, it is not. Okay, so is this action verb disappeared followed by a noun clause? No, it is not. After class is a prepositional phrase. So therefore you can see that this is an S plus intransitive verb pattern. In number 5, we identify the main verb prepared. Is it followed by a noun phrase? Yes. There's only one noun phrase after it. So this is a direct object pattern. 6, they gave Jeff an award. Remember with the indirect object and direct object pattern that we can move the IO and the DO. So we could say they gave an award to Jeff. And because that works, that is an indirect object, direct object pattern. In number 7, we do have 2 noun phrases, Stacy and student of the year. However, you cannot move these. You can't say they named student of the year to Stacy because you cannot move them. That makes this a DOOC pattern. You can also see that in 6, Jeff does not equal an award. Jeff is not the award. However, in 7, Stacy is student of the year. Stacy does equal student of the year. So let's talk then about 3.6 from the homework, just thinking about which linking verb pattern these sentences are. So we identify the subject, the needs of the ELLs. So we identify the needs of the ELL should be, and then we have a priority. So a priority is a noun phrase, right? It's following the linking verb be. So that is S plus LV plus PN. In 7, many people are supporters. Supporters is a noun phrase. So that also is S plus LV plus PN. Number 8, bilingual individuals are fortunate. So what is fortunate? If you don't know, if you can't recall what word class fortunate is, well, let's substitute in another word. So let's say, maybe fortunate is an adverb. So let's put in an adverb. Bilingual individuals are quickly. No, that doesn't make sense. It can't be an adverb. Bilingual individuals are happy. Sure, that works. So now we've identified that fortunate is an adjective by substituting a word that we know is an adjective. So number 8 is S plus LV plus PA. Number 9 is also PA. Extinct is an adjective. Number 10, a language death is a loss. A loss. A is a clear symbol, a clear marker that this is a noun phrase. So number 10, S plus LV plus PN.